2012 Boss 302 Kona Blue, 12,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. It's never a bad start to a day when you hop in a 12,620 mile 2012 Boss 302. Absolutely awesome cars. If y'all watch my videos, I've posted a few of these over the last couple months, and I've owned a bunch of them, but these are some of my favorite cars that I buy, sell, and trade. I've always loved these Boss cars since they came out back in 2012. I've had the 2012s, 2013s. I love them both the same. And this is an awesome example. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported. I also have the original window sticker, the Boss paperwork. It's actually in a really nice kind of framed plaque. You'll see a photo of that in the additional informations tab, but paperwork is great on this car, and it's had some really tasteful mods that we'll dive into a little bit further in this video. But mechanically, it has your stock Roadrunner 5-liter that the Bosses were born with. They make 444 horsepower and 380 foot-pounds of torque. This one does have the track key included. It has been programmed. We have the track key installed right now, so we get the side exit exhaust. Gives it a little bit better of a sound. This one does have the resonators removed. They've been deleted, but I do have the original resonators, so if someone wants to reinstall those, you can. Removing it just makes the side exit exhaust a little bit louder than factory. You really hear a noticeable difference in third gear and fourth gear. Also a little bit on like revving the car up, you'll hear a little bit notice of a difference from the exhaust note. But like in fifth gear or sixth gear, it sounds like a stock Boss 302. You do still retain your original exhaust out the back when you have the standard key installed, so that doesn't change anything. It's just when you have the track key installed, just a little bit louder than factory. AC's nice and cold, factory Brembo brakes, power steering with rack and pinion, and it drives like a brand new car. Again, it's 12,600 and some change miles. Absolutely nothing to complain about. If you've unfortunately never had the opportunity to drive one of these cars, they are super, super fun to drive. They're a high revving setup. They turn 7,000 plus RPMs. They are a production built track car. When Ford came out with these, I was super pumped. I've owned a bunch of them. I love driving these cars. They are just a joy and just an absolute blast to drive out on the street. Interior wise, you have your code MW, black or charcoal, whatever you want to call it. Recaro bucket seat interior. The Recaros are in excellent condition. Gauges are all super easy to read. Factory suede or whatever that material is, wrapped steering wheel. Matches the shifter cover. You do have an aftermarket blue shifter ball, and you do actually have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo, AM, FM, Bluetooth. You have a little Bluetooth speaker here, and this one does have a backup camera. It's on the license plate surround, so when you put your license plate on the car in the back, it's got a little rear view camera mounted to the top of it. So you do have a backup camera, which is cool when you put it in reverse. We'll do that real quick so y'all can see it. That's actually first. Oh, no, that was reverse. So there you go. You can see it there. You got to push down on the shifter handle, and then you see reverse. So the camera comes up, but interior is like new. Floor mats are great. You have the original Boss floor mats. Carpet's in excellent shape. Console opens and closes properly. No real wear on the bolster edge from getting in and out. You have tilt, cruise, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all your standard equipment that these were born with. Now that the cars have gone and warmed up, we'll go ahead and get in the throttle and have some fun here. Roll into it just a little bit. And unfortunately, we got a little bit of traffic in front of us, so that takes away from the fun just a little bit, but we'll have a couple opportunities later on in the test drive to get in the throttle just a little bit more. But you can hear the exhaust there. Sounds awesome. Underneath this Boss is beautiful. The floors are excellent. It is like showroom new on the bottom side of this car. Floors don't have any surface corrosion. The frame's obviously great. Rear end looks awesome. Suspension and steering components check out to be original. No problems of any kind on the bottom. On the exterior, it is code L6, which is the Kona Blue Metallic. This one is coded for the white stripe, so Kona Blue with the white. I thought the competition orange was my favorite color when it came to a 2012 Boss, but after owning this Kona Blue car, it might take the cake for me on the best color for a Boss, and that's kind of unheard of for me. This is an excellent looking car. I love the blue, I love the white with the black Boss wheels. The wheels are in excellent condition. Tires are great. I believe the tires are a 2014 date code, so a little bit older, but no dry rot, no cracking on the tires, so they're ready to roll. But if someone wants to, you can put a new set of tires on there. Paint is in excellent condition. Couple small little nicks on the front of the hood, same thing with the front bumper, and just around the car some very, very minor little touch-ups. This does have an aftermarket rear spoiler that's paint matched to the car. It matches great. They didn't do any other paint work around the car. They just painted that aftermarket spoiler. I do have the original spoiler that will go with the car. I do have the original stereo, and I do have the original resonators. You will see photos of that in the additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. You will also see photos of the Carfax. You will also see photos of the little imperfections. That additional information tab is very, very critical, so I want y'all to make sure you check that out. This one is optioned with the 373 gears. Suspension is all factory. Steering is all factory. These have a really tight performance feel to them. They are, again, performance or production built track cars. They were built to be put on the track, raced, and they really perform excellent. No shakes, no rattles, no squeaks of any kind. I can't get over how well this car sounds. It sounds really badass with the resonator deletes. No crazy drone while you're in here. Sometimes if you do the resonator delete or you change an aftermarket muffler, you'll get like a weird exhaust note. This one sounds just badass. All your glass is in original and excellent condition. The power windows go up and down like they should. You do have your rear defrost back there. Forgot to mention you can push a little gauge feature, so you have some aftermarket gauges there on that stereo. But the windshield is very nice. No stone chips or really any problems of any kind. Maybe a couple tiny little, hard to even tell little imperfections in the windshield, but it might just be little bugs. Clutch feels great, downshifts like it should. We'll downshift once more to second once we make this turn here, and we'll get in the throttle some. Go ahead and just wake up the neighbors just a little bit. Puts a smile on my face every time I drive one of these cars. So fun to drive. Inside the trunk is all factory. Nothing's been messed with back there. And same thing under the hood. It really represents like a new car when you pop the hood. Motor is super clean. All the wiring looks factory. Nothing's been messed with. The charging system is doing its job. All your fluids are clean and ready to go on this one. Disclaimer list is extremely minimal, outside of a couple tiny little imperfections cosmetically on the outside. And then tires being a little bit older, but that's personal preference if you want to change those. This being a low mileage car and looking like it was always stored properly, I have zero issues with the tires. Inside's like new. I really like the aftermarket stereo. Usually I'm a fan of the factory stuff, but I would personally drive the hell out of this car, and I'd want to hook up my phone and listen to the music that I want to listen to. So having the Bluetooth capabilities is cool, but have the original stereo and the face that goes with this. So if someone wanted to put this car back to basically stock, you could, but having the original parts just to go with it is cool. And I just love that Kona blue. Just an awesome color. Have just a little bit more fun. As always, I'm Mike. This is a 2012 Boss 302 with 12,600 miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out the additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out our content across all of our social platforms, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.